What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trending Crypto. We have not covered PNG in a while, so that's what we're going to do today. Pangolin, which is down 0.1% at 29 cents. We have a $63 million market cap with 218 million coins in circulation out of 538. Now, all-time high was 3 years ago at 1885. All-time low was 9 months ago. If you would have bought 9 months ago, you'd be up 23x at the current price. Currently available on the following markets. Quite a few markets. Some big boys. Coinbase, you got Mexi, Gate.io, Encryptic, never heard of it. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on PNG. All right, ladies and gentlemen, PNG, a lot of altcoins on the day chart are printing very, very deep buy signals on the WTX and are showing very good signs of a possible reversal. So PNG just off of the indicators alone are looking solid. We're to scribble on the screen here in a bit, but I want to go over these indicators with you guys real quick. So we got pretty much a double buy signal right here. It's printing right on top of each other. I've never really seen a double buy signal on the day chart print right on top of each other. So that has to be bullish, right? On top of that, the RSI did just put in a higher high. The first time it's put in a higher high since March of 2024. Now, if we draw a downtrend from March of 2024, you can also see that we did just breach our downtrend resistance area. So this could be the start of a possible trend reversal going on here for PNG. So not financial advice, but the bottom could be in for PNG. On top of that, another thing that kind of confirms that is the bearish MACD did flip bullish about 3 days ago, and we've been making bullish engulfing candles ever since then. Now, one thing we want to focus on here are the fib areas, which if you draw from the high to the low, we're approaching one right now, which is the 35 cents 786 area for PNG. So that is the area we really want to focus on overtaking here for PNG is about 34 to 35 cents. You can see how powerful of a support that was going all the way back to February of 2024. I mean, we rode on that 786 for a very, very long time until we fell below it in July 4th. So hopefully, with all these indicators firing off and the market starting to flip, we can easily overtake that 786 and start rallying much higher. In my personal opinion, it looks very similar to this right here, outside of this heavy deviation we just got, which put in a lower low. Now, the fib, obviously, there's not a fib right here at the 22 cents. But if we draw a horizontal line where we got that support bounce here to off that 23, 24 cents, you can see going back to 2022, that was a prior resistance area for us. So multi-year, I guess you can say resistance flip support actually came in and held us up around that 22 cents area. So the day chart right now is looking pretty bullish, in my personal opinion. I think we're to be rallying at least up to the 786 here at about 35 cents. That is the area that we need to beat. Write that on a sticky note, slap it on your forehead. I don't care what you do with it, but 35 cents, we need to retake that for PNG in order to be bullish. Now we are below the main price volume area, which is this orange line here at about 40 cents. So being below that area, in my personal opinion, is bullish. It likes drawing you up to that area. That's where most of the price activity is. It's where most buyers are. Excuse me. So in the short term, let's keep an eye on that 35 cents resistance area for PNG. And then once we overtake that, then we can start really getting bullish on it. Now we can draw multiple different fibs from high to lows. And you can also see on this one, the 786 or the 618 from the initial run up from February 2024. 618 is right at that 35 cents area. So there's multiple fibs that we can draw that are confirming that that 35 cents area is the next. Like if we draw from the high here to the low here, that 786 is sitting right on top of that 618 on the short term. So that is a very critical price area for PNG to overtake right now. I'm not concerned about it going down any further. All indicators are firing off. Market's starting to look bullish. It's just that 35 cents resistance area is the key. And as you can see, since the downtrend of May of 2024, we have not overtaken that yet. So we are on the verge of actually breaking out here for PNG. So let's keep an eye on it, ladies and gentlemen. If we break out, then we can start seeing some very, very bullish movement to the upside for PNG, which the next main resistance area would be at about a buck 50. So I'm going to be bullish here. I'm going to say PNG is bottomed. Not financial advice, but with all these buying indicators firing off and the way the market's starting to flip, it might be an optimal opportunity to pick up some PNG if you haven't yet. Now, obviously, the optimal one was this wick right here, which is very, very hard to do, but we still have not broken out of this downtrend yet. Once you break out of that downtrend, that's when you're going to start seeing some very bullish volatility to the upside, guys. So, with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if you have any coins that you would like me to chart for you, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.